So his own cost, even if I had to think like 50 million times if I was ready to drop that money for camera.
I don't know what I'm feeling, but I don't.
Welcome back again to my channel and happy new year to you guys. Do you know that I have literally been thinking of what is going to be the very first thing I'm going to say, what my first video is going to be all about, and I don't know, I don't just know. And I know I have been like missing in action for a while, and it's because I'm just trying to like do some few things to just change some things. So yeah, that's what I've been in. And see by the title of this video, I want to do an unboxing. Yes, I got myself a new camera. I never knew I was going to be getting it so fast this year. I said it last year that I actually signed up for a new editing class, or for an editing class, something like that, that hopefully maybe by 2021 I'm going to get a camera. I did not see it coming this fast, but I just woke up and I'm like, let me just get the camera, because maybe it's going to like change the vibe for me. And that was literally what I did. And in today's video, guys, it's as if my voice is cracking. I could literally hear my voice crack on my head. I don't know. So what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be unboxing it. This thing came in today. This box came in today around, I think it got to me around 4. And you guys, even despite the fact that I've never owned a camera, I wasn't even eager to open it because I wanted to open it with you guys. So when it came in, I was making my hair, so I decided, okay, I was going to open this box with you guys. If I unbox this particular package, I want you to head over to Etinosa Official TV. Please go and support her, subscribe to her channel. She does video about skincare, beauty, and all of those good stuff that you will need. So if you know you want more DIY knowledge or more skincare, you can head over to her channel to watch her video. You can subscribe to her channel. Tell her that I sent you, just my own little way of appreciating them for as well supporting my own brand last year. Let's go straight into this particular one. So literally I came in, so I'm just going to be, I have my blade here with me. I'm just going to be opening it so that you guys can see. So I think we can start here. I think it's safe to start here. I know you guys can see me because I don't want just my face to be showing. So I know you guys can see me. Oh my goodness. And I need you to get the brand I got. I need you to get the, what's it called? I don't even know.
I don't know what I'm feeling, but I don't wanna know you're mine. I'm falling out of touch with your phone, and you said you'd want this for me. I'm tired of all the things that you leave when you close. I'm falling for the ways that you keep.
I knew my first camera was going to be a Canon M50 because I kind of feel like I have watched enough tutorial, even right before I started a YouTube channel, on how Canon M50 is being used. And yeah, I knew my first camera was going to be a Canon M50 because I think it's so easy and simple. And so let me just open it. So I got this particular memory card, this SD card, because my phone is actually crying for help. There is no space anymore. So even some of my videos, I don't have them again. I've deleted them. So yeah, I got this particular one. And yeah, and this as well. So I'm still going to get a mic today, maybe when I'm done with all others on my neck. This is literally 4:15 a.m. so in case you're wondering when I'm filming this video, this is 4:15 a.m. so yeah, this is it. Okay, so first, I think this is the very first thing I am touching. I think this is the charger. This is the charger of the camera. This is the charger of the camera. Then this is the camera manual on how you can use it, and this looks like a textbook. It's so big, you guys. So big. Can you guys see? It's so big. This is the What's this called? Is it the holder? I think this is the holder. I am expecting something not too big, because when I wanted to get this camera, I don't want something that is big for me. The next thing inside, and I think this is the battery. This is the battery. Yeah, yes, this is the lens. Now this camera is not big. I think I love it. This is the lens, you guys, because I've already seen this thing there. So I'm just going to remove it so that I can show you people. So wow, so this is the lens. Can you guys see? This is the lens of the camera. Oh, my first 2021 baby. Yeah, you guys, this is what the camera looks like. This is what it looks like. Yeah, so I can see myself when I film. This is about to be my latest baby. Yeah, this is what the camera looks like. It is, to be honest, this thing is a travel size camera. Thank God I did not even change my mind, because when I check some pictures, I'm always like, it's as if this thing is big. I don't want something that is big. But thank God that I did not change my mind. And yeah, this is what it looks like. Can you guys see? This is what it looks like. This will probably be a charger as well. Let's see. And this as well. You guys, I'm just so happy. I think it's the charger set. This is the battery, this thing. This should be the battery port, and that's all that is inside this particular carton. I know someone wants to ask me, where did you get your camera from? How much did you get it? I know someone is definitely going to ask me. So if I don't say it in this video, I should expect more of that in my DM and my comment section. So it is from Photo Bliss Enterprise. Trust me, this is not a paid advertisement or whatever. I don't think there was discount on this particular thing, because the only thing that I noticed is the fact that their stuffs are very, very cheap. Trust me, I've come across brands on Instagram that actually sells this particular camera for 320k, and I'm like, nah. no. A lot of YouTubers buy from him, and I'm like, okay, let me just patronize this person. It's as if he's safe, because I'm not about to like pull my mind up or have high blood pressure because I want to order something from Lagos. And I was even scammed on IG about 3 or 4 weeks ago, so I wasn't ready to go through that again. So I'm like, let me just order from this man, or let me just order from this brand. So his own cost 290k. So this camera retails for 290k, and the SD card retail for 5,000 naira. So everything in total is 295k, and it is a free shipping to my house, and that is what I love most about this thing. If you're interested in getting a camera, I will advise you get from them, because their price is very, very reasonable. I don't know them, but I'm satisfied with what I got. I placed my order on Saturday morning. This camera wasn't planned, trust me. I woke up on Saturday, I'm like, what am I supposed to do on YouTube this year? What can I do? And I'm like, let me just buy something. I don't know, let me just opt in for something. And yeah, and I just settled for the camera, even if I had to think like 50 million times if I was ready to drop that money for camera. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I will let you know, because I see a lot of YouTube videos I'm still going to watch to set this particular thing up. This is my first time, like I said. So, and yeah, probably this is what I'm going to be using to shoot my next video. So if you have not subscribed to Etinosa official TV channel, please go back and go and subscribe and tell her that I sent you. And you guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel as well, please click on the subscribe button, turn on your post notification, so that anytime I drop new videos, you always get notified. And please support me. It's the new year already. Support me. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.